On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a new product either by clicking on that button or going to the product page and then clicking this add new product button. Then on this page, you'll be able to fill out the necessary form that will make your product to show on the home page, and for whenever somebody wants to make order, they'll be able to search for based on categories, title, and all. So go ahead with me. As a owner of a business, you don't need to learn coding in order to put your product out there, or to in any system you are using that is making you to go and be learning to modify the HTML code in order to do it. No, the best you could just do is to tell AI to generate content for you for this your product, and then it will generate the content that will suit the form that you're using to upload the product. So right now, let's go ahead. We're starting with the product title. Then the next thing is the SEO description. This SEO description is what is going to show when you share the link to someone. It's not really that necessary. As you can see, it's optional there. This is the description section where you put in all the description of your product. You can go ahead and ask AI to describe it in HTML, and you can use HTML to, you can upload your HTML code in here and it will actually fit in well. Now, okay, I'm shortening this, my description. As you can see, it has a limit of 230 characters. So you can switch to HTML in case you are going to be uploading HTML code in here. You can just switch it by clicking that source button up there, or you could just type in your content yourself. You could even create your content via MS Word and just copy it and paste it in here. It will fit in to take the design, the color, and everything. It's just a perfect way to write your product description. Now, after writing this, you can go ahead and go to the features page. This feature page, most people like to use tables, so you can either create a table here by selecting this option. If you're familiar with MS Word or any text editor, you should be able to do this, or you could just go ahead and still write it as a form of text. But right here we're going with rows and columns, so rows are from left to right. Yeah, that's the horizontal plane. We're going with 4 rows, and then I'm not setting a particular way, so I'm moving that so that it will be based on what I write, then the way to increase. Then I have columns. That's maybe features on this side and details on the other side. So 2 columns and then 4 rows. Now we are all set. You don't want to set any other setting there. This one is just to align. We don't need any alignment setting. We'll just leave it there like that, and then I go with OK, and that is done. Now I go ahead and type in the contents of my table. Here I'll be going with features. Okay, then you can either hit tab or just use your right click on your button, go to the other one, and then you write your details on whatever, however you want to be presenting your product, and you can go ahead. You can decide to bold in your text, you can use italics, you can underline, you can color. You are free to do. You can just copy and paste. You can still ask AI to create a HTML table of the data. All you have to do is to pass the content you want to put on this particular feature section to the AI, and AI will generate the HTML. And the same thing, you click on the source, and then you'll be able to paste it, and then you return back to the page by clicking that source again, and it will display as you want it. And you can also modify it using the normal area section instead of writing as if you're a programmer. You don't need to be a programmer to do this. All you just need to do is to know how to type on your phone, know how to type on your system, and then that's it. Okay, now we have done this. So I'm still going to copy data from AI to show you how simple it is. So I'm almost done with this. Yeah, this video section, you can just upload your video on YouTube and then just copy the iframe of the video. That's the iframe URL of the video. All you have to do is to right click on the video and then copy the link and then paste it in here, so it will show on your website when someone is trying to view the video of the product. So it's not really that important, so you can just do that and then go ahead for the pictures. Now for the pictures, you have it's important for you to upload the first image. So the first image is compulsory. The second and third image might not be that compulsory, but you really want to give your customers a good overview of their products, whatever they want to buy. So that's what I'm done with uploading of pictures. As you can see, I uploaded 3 pictures for this particular product. Next is the price. Now the regular price is the actual price you are selling. You have that sales price where you say, okay, I'm selling this thing for 50k, but this seems to be for 80k, that kind of thing. So you're kind of giving a kind of discount. Then you can set the weight of the product so that everyone can actually understand the weight of what they are buying. Then if you want to manage the quantity of the product, you can just turn this on, and then it will be in numbers instead of just saying it's in stock or out of stock. Let's say you have just about 20 of this in stock or 22 of this in stock, you just state it there. If you have 50 of it in stock, you state it there. And then if you want to allow back order, let's say someone can order more than the number of product that is in stock, you turn that on. Here it's a simple product, not a variable product. On the next one, you will see difference between a simple product and a variable product. So variable products are actually quite on the large side. Then we have the keywords for search, and we have the categories and subcategory of related to that particular product. And we have that tag, that label of either hot product or things like that, brand new. You can state all those type of things there, and that's basically it. Okay, here whenever you paste in data, as you can see, you always make sure you click the source to come back to this normal side so that everything will work well. Okay, as you can see, one of our image is not following the format, so nice error, so that you can understand. So you see the second image is not on a PNG JPG, so we're going to convert it to a good format. So if you're using Windows, it's virtually very easy. Open it with photos and go to resize image here, and then you go here and then select a type. Currently, as you can see, so we just change it, then you save it. You select another type, JPG, PNG, and JPG formats are what are acceptable. Then once that is done, you just go ahead and click and then select the one of the JPG or PNG, whatever export you did from the Photos application. And so with that, we are good to go. You could just go ahead and search for the newly exported one, look for the file format, JPG, PNG, or JPG, anyone you export as, then you select it, select the correct one, and we are good to go. Now it has been changed, everything is completed, everything is okay, and let's go ahead and create the product. Now it is created. Only just do, when you get back to this product page, it's not here, you refresh and you see your new product listed there, active and good to go. So that's basically that. Now you can modify the product anytime you like. Maybe you want to change the price and so on. I'll go ahead and show you how to edit your product. Thank you. Okay, now that we have learned how to create our products, here we are seeing our newly created product. Refresh, you see the data, everything is fresh and showing here. The next thing is for us to learn how to edit our product. So we can go directly into, just slide to the right side of the table and you will see the dotted button. You click on the edit product, and here you should be able to see the details of the product, description, features, video, whatever you provided. Everything can be modified apart from the categories, subcategories. Those ones cannot be modified. So that's basically it. As you can see, this is in HTML. You can always remove it. You can tell AI to generate data and then change it into something way better. Whatever you want to do, you are free to do. As you can see, this new one that the AI created for me looks quite better. That, remember, do not forget, so whenever you paste in data into those into that editor, either via the code system, make sure you click the source to return back to the normal system. That's when it saves. Then you can reduce the quantity, maybe the quantity I've reduced, and then you can also update the price and so on and so forth. You get. So basically, we are actually good to go. You can edit the number of content you want to be seeing on this page and so on. The pagination is quite beautiful here. Okay, now let's go ahead and work on variable products. So as you can see, we have more than just simple products here. Let's move on. Okay guys, that was quite a long video. Next video I'll be uploading the ones for variable product. Variable product is quite a bit complex, but let's say you have a particular ways you want to upload or item you want to upload that has, it's a particular product but it has different variations. Let's say it's a system, now let's say a laptop that has different type of, comes in different gig rams, comes in different RAM size, comes in different colors, or it's a shirt you want to upload, it comes in different sizes and things like that. So like I said, you don't need to be a programmer to be uploading products on the website. You don't need to go and be copying and be editing the HTML. It is not necessary. With this particular product in certain page like this, it is simple and seamless. All you just need to do is to watch this video and practice it, and you are good to go. It's something you can get done in less than 20 minutes, and you are uploading product like as if you are a programmer. Thank you for watching.